We've just had Campagne de France out of the water for the last week so that we could repaint the keel and rudders fluorescent orange, which is a requirement for our offshore racing rules, and make sure that the hull is as smooth as we can get it so that the boat goes as fast as possible. And we've just launched this morning, Monday morning, and there's just 4 days left of preparation time until the start of the Atlantic Cup. And so a lot to do in the next few days, but it's great, the boat's back in the water and she's nearly ready.